Welcome! In this video, we will explore one of the core building blocks of Bookwhen schedules, the entry. You'll learn what it is, why it's important, and how to create one. By the end, you'll feel confident about using entries to organize your events with ease. Let's break it down. An entry determines the details of your event, which may include the title of your event, where it takes place, when and how often it takes place, how much it costs, how bookers will pay, and the questions you ask customers during the booking process. It can be helpful to think of an entry like a folder. On the outside of the folder, you have the label or title. Inside that folder are your events, which are individual dates and times that people can book. For example, if you run a weekly yoga class, the entry is your yoga class, and each event is one of the weekly sessions. Keeping this in mind will help you understand how changes to an entry take effect for the events it contains. Let's walk through setting up an entry. From your scheduling page, select the button to create an entry. The page will open on a blank entry form on the Information tab. Start with the basics by giving your entry a title. Add a description to tell attendees what to expect. You can use Markdown to format this text and add links for extra details. Move to the Location tab to select an existing location or add a new one. Next, navigate to the Dates and Times tab to set when your events will happen. Add a single date and time or create a recurring schedule if your event repeats. Each date and time you add becomes an event inside this entry. Now let's move to the Tickets and Cost tab. From this tab, you'll create ticket types to determine price and availability. You can add multiple ticket types, adjust prices, and set limits. Now is a good time to save the entry as the minimum information of a title and ticket type is now met. You can always save an entry and come back to edit it at a later date. Now move to the Booking Form tab to decide what information you need from your customers. Are you collecting just their name and email, or extra details like dietary needs or emergency contacts? Select and reorder the fields so your form matches your event's needs. Lastly, there's the More Options tab where you can set a password for the entry or delete it. Just so you know, deleting an entry deletes all of the events you have added to the Dates and Times tab. Select Save and Exit to see your new entry and its events on your schedule. Entries are flexible with a variety of features to help you customize your booking process. You can add videos or attachments, adjust locations, and add online links, or customize the data collected during the booking. Check out our help guide library for more information on customizing your entries. It's important to remember that when you update an entry, those changes apply to all future events inside it. For example, change the description once, and every upcoming event shows the new description. Update the location, and it applies across all future dates. If you need to make a one-off change, like moving a single class to a new time, you can edit just that event without changing the whole entry. You will need to make this change from the schedule page and not while editing the entry. Remember, entries control the big picture while events can still be adjusted individually. Let's recap. An entry is like a container that holds your events. Setting one up means adding info, dates, tickets, and booking form fields. Customizing the entry affects its events, while individual events can still be edited when needed. Once you get the hang of it, entries become a powerful way to keep your schedule organized and your booking smooth. Now that you know how entries work, go ahead and create your own. You'll find Bookwhen's entries make managing your events simpler, clearer, and more flexible. Remember, the support team is available to help through live chat and email. Happy scheduling!